Start out right here. This is your rear end. Go forward along your drive shaft and it comes into the back of the transfer case. That's connected to your transmission. Come over here to the other side of your transfer case. Opposite of that is this other drive shaft right here. And that follows forward to right there, which feeds into the back of your front axle transfer or front axle differential. So this piece starting right about there, coming back to right here, is all one piece, and that's where your noise is right here. Alright, let's see if that works.